Hello everyone. Allow me to introduce the Litu leather case, model CFM DP2400BFG, specially designed for Motorola DP2400 and DP2400E two-way radios. This premium case combines practicality and elegance, crafted from high-quality leather for outstanding protection, durability, and reliability. Featuring an adjustable strap and sturdy belt loop, it offers secure attachment and versatile carrying options. With refined craftsmanship and a sleek design, the Litu leather case is the perfect choice for professionals seeking unmatched style and functionality. Thank you for watching.